I'm Gabby, one of the nutritionists at Watch on Pediatrics. Today we're kicking off a short series of fun and tasty ways to include veggies in your child's diet. This can be helpful for those selective eaters who are trying to increase diet variety. It can also be helpful for those non-selective eaters just to change things up, try a new recipe, or even sneak in some extra nutrients. This week, for our short series of fun and tasty ways to include veggies, we have rainbow-colored pancakes. There's lots of different ways to make these, and I especially like these for my selective eaters because it gets them used to seeing a safe food in a different color, just like the veggies that they are so hesitant to eat.